we could give ourselves the healing ability that we only had when we were embryos. So in the lab, if we take a pluripotent stem cell and we want to make a liver cell or a neuron, a nerve cell, we give it a bunch of chemical signals in what we call the niche. And when one of these cells lands in a niche around those old cells, they'll use that stem cell to rebuild tissue. But imagine if we could reset the clock, not all the way back to a stem cell, but just partial reset the clock so that you could go back to being 20 again.
Right.
That's what we're able to do in some tissues in the mouse right now.
How do you do it en masse? When it's cell by cell, DNA strand by DNA strand, like how the hell do you get this to take effect through a whole joint, let alone the whole body?
Yeah. Right now the way we do it is we inject a virus called an AAV, and this virus will target certain tissues and deliver the genes to most of the cells in that tissue. For example, we are treating aging of the eye in mice. So we can take an old mouse, we deliver a virus, the AAV, into the eye. It's a tiny little prick. It's the same virus that's used to correct genetic deficiencies in the eye right now, FDA-approved drugs. So this isn't science fiction. This is out there in the world right now. We give it to the old mice. We give them an antibiotic called doxycycline. Okay, same thing you might take if you got Lyme disease. And that turns on these reprogramming factors. We put OS and K into the eye, turn it on, leave it for a few weeks, measure what happens to the eye, and those mice can see again like they were young.